In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a draft post on LinkedIn if you've ever started to craft an engaging post on LinkedIn, only to save it for later and then wonder where it went. You're not alone. Many LinkedIn users face this exact situation. Fortunately, locating your drafts is a straightforward process, and today I'm going to guide you through each step to easily retrieve them. First things first, head over to linkedin.com, use your preferred web browser, and log into your LinkedIn account. This is the necessary starting point, since accessing your drafts will require you to be logged into your profile. Once you're on your feed, you'll want to look for where you typically begin composing a post. For many, this will be the Start a Post section, located prominently at the top of your homepage. It's here that you would click to begin drafting a new post, but it's also one way to access drafts you've already started. Another method to find your saved drafts is by interacting with LinkedIn's article feature. Instead of starting a regular post, click on Write Article. These articles allow you to present more detailed information, but drafts you save here can also be accessed later through the draft management tools I'm about to describe. Navigating through Write Article not only provides an alternate route to reach your drafts, but it also opens up opportunities for more comprehensive content creation on LinkedIn. Once you've accessed the writing interface for a new article, your next step is to look for the Manage option. It's usually located within the article creation interface and provides various organizational tools for your LinkedIn content. Click on this Manage button to proceed further. On the management page, you'll come across several options for managing your posts and articles. What you're specifically interested in is the Drafts section. Clicking on this will present a list of all your saved drafts, both posts and articles. This is where LinkedIn stores the entries you've started but didn't finish or publish immediately, allowing you to easily pick up where you left off at any time. By following these steps, you should now be able to effortlessly locate any draft post you have on LinkedIn. Remember, the key is familiarizing yourself with the various content creation features LinkedIn offers, making it easier to manage and navigate your drafts in the future. Whether you're storing ideas or pausing mid-creation, your drafts are always just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your content management process on LinkedIn.